going on, guys? It's Ken. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Rode Wireless Me microphone. A little bit of a different video today, but I've wanted to get this for a little bit now. I have a few uses for it, especially like when I go on the go, vlogging, and even for sit-down videos like this, it could definitely be useful so I don't have to use my microphone. But yeah, so the one that I got comes with the transmitter and receiver. That's it. They sell other ones that come with an extra mic, so you basically have two microphones, like for two people. I didn't really need that, so I just got the one mic option, and this can be used with a phone and camera, which is pretty cool. It comes with the cords for that, and you know, the USB-C can go right into the phone if you have the newer phones, and then aux input can go into a camera. So let's open this up. Got my knife. Shout out Dangerous Music. I always think it's cool that they sent me this knife. I feel it's the only brand that's ever done something like that. I don't know how to open this box without breaking it though. This box has some crazy like glue on it. I don't know what. Yeah, I just have to rip this open. But yeah. Let's see how this is. This one with the transmitter and receiver, $150 at Target. The one that comes with the extra mic is, I believe, $200. It's a little pricey, but it's, you know, once I test it, I'll be able to really justify the price. So yeah, it comes with like this case that I guess you could put them in. That's pretty cool. Got a little Rode emblem. It's not gonna focus. Let's throw this garbage to the side. Nothing else in the box, I believe. Little manual. And here we got the two pieces. Now, first let's open up this other box and see what cables and what else is inside. We got some stickers. I always like stickers. If you guys know me, I got a lot of stickers on my PC case. You know, not really my laptop. I'm not really like a sticker on the laptop kind of person. More on the PC case. Yeah, some more guides and stuff like that. All right, so first off, we got a wind cover, which is always nice to have, and then we have another one too. We also have what seems like a clip. I'm not exactly sure how to connect this. If I'm not mistaken, it's magnetic. I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to put that to the side. And then we have a USB-C to lightning cable. So definitely useful if you have an older iPhone. I actually kept my older iPhone, so I can use that. But, you know, obviously the newer iPhones do have USB-C. You can always get a USB-C cable. It's not the biggest deal in the world. Actually, I'm lying. It comes with another USB-C cable. So we got USB-C to lightning, USB-C to USB-C, which is nice. The camera is on the camera's focusing on my face. I see the box. It's not gonna focus on the. Damn, that's really annoying. That's actually really annoying. Oh man, I hate that. All right, we're gonna put those cords to the side, and then we got another aux. So basically just aux male to male. And then we have another one too, except one of the ends on this is gray and the other end is black. So I'm not sure why it's like that. So this on the top, the mic, it has arrows to turn. That possibly could be the volume. Not 100% sure, but It does show the so if you take a look at the back, it has these two stickers, and it's not going to show because of the lighting. You might be able to see it, but on this one it says TX. This is the transmitter, and it shows that it's supposed to be with the person. And then this one is RX, and it goes into the camera. So I would assume this is the receiver. It receives the signal, sends it into the camera. So that's pretty much it. To recap, we got transmitter, receiver, two cables, two aux cables, some wind filters, a clip, I believe, not 100% sure, and then USB-C cable, USB-C to Lightning, and then you can't forget the stickers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set this up, hook it up to my camera, and right now I'm using OBS to film. I'm gonna set this up, hook it up to my camera, and show you guys the camera audio compared to the audio of these. All right, this is the audio without the mic. I haven't even set it up. I'm about to do it. And I haven't even really heard the camera audio in a long time, so it's going to be a little surprising to me. But another thing also is these comes with like plastic over it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm going to set it up, hook it up, and I'll be back. All right, so pretty sure I got it set up. It actually took a few minutes because these came dead, so I had to charge them for a few minutes. And I guess I had the wrong cord, the wrong aux plugged in. I had this one plugged into the camera, this side plugged into the camera. But as I'm looking at the connection, it makes sense. But yeah, I set the audio level. I turned it down a little bit in the camera. I'm using a Sony A6400 right now, so I haven't adjusted the level on the mic, but on the camera I have it at 7, which is about a third of the way up. So it's not too loud, but I can see the meter on the camera screen. It's not clipping. Probably could be a little louder, but yeah, I don't know how it sounds. I won't know how it sounds until I edit this video, but I'm going to wrap this up here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.